Hi friend, this is a second part of the video for this Yale surface mounted with for sliding doors. So after you had on the first video we had removed the tamper-proof screws. Now in order to rekey it, okay, so you'll have to unlock it. So you can turn it upside down. Take this screw here. It's one screw only, and you can take this out. So that is the inside picture of this kind of lock. Now you want to remove this lock, so all you have to do is just turn this actuator here, and then you can take out the lock. In order to rekey this kind of lock, so you have to remove these two screws here, and then after you remove that, just try to remember where the parts is where's the parts location, so that anyway this is a simple kind of mechanism. It has a few parts, so I think you will not be lost in reinstalling this area. Only take note of this bottom side here. That is where the key, the bottom of the key goes in when you insert it. So don't do it upside down, because your key will not protrude from this side and it will not go fully in. Okay, now the two screws are gone. Remove this washer here. Sorry. And now you can take the spring out, and this actuator here, and this is what it's look like, the cylinder. Alright, now in order to rekey that, what you need to do is shim it. You can shim it by the use of this 7-Up can or Pepsi can or Coca-Cola. Can just cut it at least let's say enough to cover the chamber pin, that is 3/16. Okay, now once you cut it, cut it on what size you need, as long as it is not shorter than 2 inches. Now you have a small screwdriver, put it on top of the small screwdriver to bend it. Be careful with your hand, this is very sharp aluminum. It will cut your fingers here if you're not careful. Now, now you can insert it from this side here. Alright, it will goes in. The thickness is the tolerance of this lock is not so much critical. So after you had inserted that, okay, I already prepared one here. After you finish shimming it, you can shim it by the use of either a key. You run it through and pushing the shim slowly as you go, as you bring the key out, or you can use also a pick tool as you pick that bottom pin pulley up and then bring it slowly down and pushing this shim here until you go through this. This is from this side, this is 4 pins. On the other side This is 5 pins. Now, okay, you have a follower. Post the follower in there. Okay, that's all gone in a way. After that, rekey this and insert it back. After you insert it back, then you can disassemble. You can assemble it again. So first is the, we'll move it a little here. The actuator come here. Put it in. Right. Next is the washer. As I said, the lower portion, to take note of it. Install the screws. This is a pretty simple mechanism for Yale, so I think this is very easy to return back for even for DI wires, as long as he didn't lose any part. Okay, now you can insert this actuator here. Oh, I think I should do this first. Yeah, sorry for that, folks. Okay, this one first. After that's done, then this next. That's better. That's okay. Alright, so that's how it works now. Now don't forget to return the spring. Okay, from this side. Alright, that's okay. Now return back. You will be wondering about this kind of you cannot push it in to install this rim cylinder here. You can by pressing this side here. and then that will go, and that will expose the hole there and where you can install this. Alright, so now align the actuator here with this kind of protrusion. I think that's fine. Now return the screw. Alright. You see that? That's where you expose the screw when you install it on the tail of this rim cylinder. And also, don't forget, you had to rekey this the same as you had rekeyed this also. Alright? So that's locked now, so I don't have the key. So, alright folks, so I think that's clear enough. This is a 5 pin on the rim cylinder, and this is 4 pin. Right? You can easily, if you are a picker with a little experience in picking, you can pick this up easily also. Alright, so thanks for watching folks, and good day.